Hey guys, it is Kyle here, and I'm doing a video on a jersey that came in the mail today. So we got the tag here, size XL, NFL's shield. Got the two white stripes, red right there, or well, scarlet red to be exact. Because I know the Niners colors are, for this jersey are scarlet. Got the 10 right there, 49ers. 10 right there, 10 right there. Got the Nike shield on each side. And we'll go down here. Size extra large. Now we will flip it and show who it is. And it's of Jimmy Garoppolo. Garoppolo right here, 10 right there. And yeah, that has been a video for a Jimmy Garoppolo San Francisco 49ers Vapor Limited jersey. I'll see y'all in the next one.